Welcome to the world of yoga, an ancient practice that unites body, mind, and spirit. Discover the transformative power of yoga and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in ancient India. It combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation to promote overall well-being. Yoga involves various methods, including physical postures to balance and harmonize the body's energy, breathing techniques to control and regulate the life force, focusing the mind to achieve a state of inner peace and calm. Yoga improves flexibility, balance, and strength. It can also lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and boost immunity. Yoga reduces stress and anxiety, improves mood, and enhances focus and concentration. It can even help alleviate symptoms of depression and anxiety disorders. Yoga can improve sleep quality, increase energy levels, and enhance overall well-being. It can even support weight management, improve digestion, and boost respiratory health. To start your yoga journey, find a qualified instructor, studio, or online resource. Invest in a good yoga mat and props and start slow. Experience the transformative power of yoga for yourself. Start your journey today and discover a healthier, happier you. Thanks for watching. Follow us for more yoga tips, tutorials, and inspiration.